Hey guys, welcome to the third chapter of Module 2, Support and Resistance. This is a very important topic. Pay attention. If you have any sorts of doubt, please feel free to ask me. Now imagine a scenario when the price was coming down and it stopped at a particular point. The prices went up again. The next time it was coming down, it again stopped at the same point, approximately the same point. And it happened quite a few times. So this point would be called as a support, as in the price was trying to break that point, but it wasn't able to break that point. Similarly, imagine price was going up, it stopped at a particular point, it came down again, and then the next time it went up again, the price again stopped at that approximately that level. So this level is called resistance, where the price is trying to go up but it is not, because there is a resistance. Now there can be weak support and resistance and strong support and resistance. Weak support is like the price tried hitting it once or twice and it's not very difficult to break it, but a strong support or a strong resistance is when the price tried crossing that point multiple times and it was unable to do it. But if it breaks the strong support and the strong resistance, there is no stopping to it. Now I'll show you examples. This is a chart of Axis Bank. If you see, here is a very strong resistance. The price tried crossing this point once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. And the 6th time when it broke this point, look where the price went. So this is a very strong support, around 700 rupees, but when it broke the strong support, the price went till 300s. And if you can even see here, the price tried crossing this point, that is 760s, and you see it wasn't able to cross that point. Why? Because that is where the resistance lies. Now if you see the chart of Reliance, you can see there is an okayish support here, and it did not really take a lot of hits to break this, but when it broke a support, see where the price went. Similarly, there was a resistance here, and this is quite a strong resistance. It tried to cross this resistance once, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, around 1600. But when it broke this resistance, see where the price went till 2200. So that is the concept of support and resistance. I hope you understood this. If you did not, please feel free to ask me, as this is a very important topic in technical analysis. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.